Good morning, students. This is the fourth lecture of chapter 1 of standard 7 SS. My dear student, in the beginning I said about two states, two big states. Which were they? The first one was Kannauj and second one was Vatapi. Kannauj means we learned about King Harshvardhan. The, in North India during 7th century, in North India, Harshvardhana was the ruler and he was the ruler of Kannauj. I explained how he came to throne of Kannauj because in Kannauj after his sister nobody was there, so he took charge of Kannauj, and as a result Harshvardhana became the king of Kannauj. Same time in south Pulkeshi II was the great king. So in North India Harshvardhana and in South India Pulkeshi II. My dear student, before we discuss about Pulkeshi II, we'll go about Chalukya dynasty. My dear student, Pulkeshi II was belong to Chalukya dynasty. Which dynasty? Chalukya dynasty of South. My dear student, Pulkeshi I was the first king. Who was the king? Pulkeshi I. This is Pulkeshi II and this is Pulkeshi I. My dear student, Pulkeshi I was the great king. We can say he performed Ashwamedh Yagna. He performed Ashwamedh Yagna. My dear student, we know this thing Ashwamedh Yagna in our epic Ramayana. We have learned this word Ashwamedh Yagna, and we know the story about Love and Kush. Okay, so Ashwamedh Yagna. Okay, so Pulkeshi I performed Ashwamedh Yagna, and in his flag there was one symbol of Varavta. So what was the symbol? Varavta was the symbol in his flag. My dear student, after Pulkeshi I, his son Kirti Varma became the king. Who became the king? Kirti Varma. After the death of Kirti Varma, Pulkeshi I's brother Mangles. What is the name? Mangles. Mangles was the brother of Pulkeshi I. And after Pulkeshi I, Kirti Varma became the king. And after Kirti Varma, Mangles became the king. My dear student, in the great temple of Vishnu, it is built by him in Vatapi. Where it is? Vatapi. My dear student, so Pulkeshi I, after Pulkeshi I, Kirti Varma, after Kirti Varma, Manglesh, and after that Pulkeshi II became the king. My dear student, I would like to say here, the first victory was over Lat. The first victory was over Lat. And Lat means, my dear students, after Mangles, Pulkeshi II became the king. So got it? Pulkeshi I, Kirti Varma, Mangles and Pulkeshi II. My dear student, it means Pulkeshi II and Harshvardhana. Pulkeshi II and Harshvardhana, they were belong to same period. We can say contemporary. We can say contemporary. Contemporary means same period. So he was a great king in north and he was a great king of south. My dear student, they fought Harshvardhana and Pulkeshi too. They fought a big battle at the bank of river Narmada. Where it is? There was a great fight between these two and it was taken place at the bank of river Narmada, and in that war, in that battle, Pulkeshi too defeated Harshvardhana. Who won? Pulkeshi too won. And who lost? Harshvardhan. So Harsha's kingdom remained till there only. So in north, Harshvardhan, and in south, Pulkeshi too. Got it? Now one more thing, my dear student. During his time, one great Chinese traveler came to India. Last time I said he was Yuan Sang. Yuan Sang, who came from China, my dear students, around 15 years something. 15 years something he stayed. Who? Yuan Sang. 15 years he stayed in India, and my dear student, he attended 6 religious congregation which was held at Prayag. Which one was? 6th religious congregation. 6 religious congregation he attended. My dear student, in his book, Yuan Sang noticed about Pulkeshi too, and he said he could not stop himself for praising Pulkeshi too, because Pulkeshi too was a great lover of art. He was the great lover of art. And my dear student, here I would like to say the caves of Vatapi and Dharapuri. The caves at Vatapi and Dharapuri, they were built during his time. My dear student, the world famous cave, Ajanta caves. And my dear student, the paintings of that caves was done during his time. My dear student, the first war Pulkeshi too fought, it was at Lat. L-A-A-T, Lat. Okay, and later on he won many areas. My dear student, he won the Vengi area. Vengi. I am writing the word Vengi. When I say the word Vengi, you will just think what does it mean. My dear student, do you know in which area we live? In which area? I am not saying about the city or a name of the village or any. I am saying about area. We are living in Charotar area. Charotar area means area lying between the two rivers Sabarmati and Mahi. The area lying between Sabarmati to Mahi, that area is considered as a Charotar area. Similarly, Vengi area means the area between the rivers of Godavari and Krishna. The area lying between the rivers of Godavari and Krishna, that area is considered as a Vengi area, and it was captured by him. At present, I think it is in Andhra Pradesh. My dear student, here I would like to say that he had a great war with Harshvardhan, and later on when he had a war between the Pallava king of Kanchipuram, and during that time he died when he had a fight with the Pallava king Kanchipuram. And my dear student, it is said around 30 years something he enrolled. Thank you.